Where's all my spiritual people at? Come here. You been paying attention to the drone shit going on? You been paying attention to your dreams? Did you see the new video about the orb completely fucking up one of the drones and causing it to fall out of the sky? P.S. 80s and 90s hair is back in. It's happening. But I digress. What if, for the last 4 to 5 years, those of us in the spiritual community that have been fighting intense battles every single fucking night in our sleep, waking up with grass all over us and our hair in our mouth, waking up with scratches, bruises, cuts, bites, bumps, all kinds of stupid shit, and we know damn well that we've been fighting something in the astral in our dreams and we can't explain what? We're also seeing weird shit out of the corners of our eyes and sometimes straight on. Not normal shadow people. Oh no, these are weird things. Things that skitter up the side of houses. Things that come out from under furniture. They roll around. They do what the fuck ever. And you know they know you're there too looking at them. Now we have all these drones and we have all these orbs and things like that that are fighting each other in the sky over us. The Schumann has been acting completely and utterly fucked all the fuck up. And so have our dreams. For those of you guys, especially that astral travel, you astral project, or you dream walk, have you not noticed the similarities in all of these drone sightings picking up and now the orbs and the drones fighting apparently and what's going on in the astral? Have you noticed that? What if we've been fighting a fucking war in the astral? That's why everybody has been waking up in a record number over the last 5 years. And we know we're fighting, but we can't really do anything about it because we don't remember when we wake up. First of all, what kind of bullshit is that? But have you noticed? Because I have. Have you noticed how many people's clairs, gifts, abilities, amazing mutant-esque type things have been waking up in record numbers? Because I've noticed. I'm curious. What do you think about this? I don't believe in coincidences. So the fact that these drone sightings, that these orbs, and now the drones fighting in midair apparently and shooting shit out and about happen to coincide with the weirdest 6 to 8 months of the Schumann that I've seen. They happen to coincide with another mass awakening with weird, crazy, intense dreams, and not just with 1 or 2 people, with everyone. Let's fly that conspiracy flag, but I'm going to venture out a limb and say that we've been fighting a spiritual fucking war in the astral, and I think it's time we stepped up our game. Just going to put that out there. Maybe instead of fighting each other on Witch Talk, we should be fighting the things that actually matter. Just saying.